Forbo Flooring Systems, the widest portfolio of floor and wall coverings for rail vehicles. From new build to refurbishment, high speed to metro, we pride ourselves on offering a truly comprehensive and compliant floor and wall covering product portfolio for all types of rail vehicles. Coral FR, a collection of textile clean-off entrance systems to remove the maximum amount of dirt and moisture at the point of entry. Linoleum FR2 and Striato FR, Forbo's sustainable linoleum product created using a high percentage of natural raw materials with renewable and recycled contents. Flotex FR, a unique textile flocked floor covering combining the cleaning and durability properties of a resilient with the comfort, slip resistance and acoustic properties of a textile. Coral Move FR, premium cut pile carpet solutions that are fully customizable. Fleet FR, the robust hard-wearing properties of Fleet FR wall and ceiling covering make it ideal for high-traffic rail environments. For more information, contact Forbo Flooring Systems by telephone, online or via email. You can sign up to the quarterly Transpress newsletter via the website. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates.